Step-by-step troubleshooting Alfa Romeo Giulietta climate control errors. If you see these fault codes, follow this diagnostic order. Let's see what the diagnostic tool says. But first, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like this video. It really helps the channel grow. Now let's connect MultiEcuScan and see what the car is telling us. Connect to the MultiEcuScan and choose Vehicle Make, Model, System Climate Control and Control Module. Be sure that you use right yellow adapter. Now go to the Errors section. Here we can see the fault codes stored in the system. First, write down the codes, then clear all stored errors. After clearing the faults, we will drive the vehicle and scan it again. If the fault codes return, follow these next steps. Check the battery voltage first. Alfa Romeo vehicles are extremely sensitive to voltage. Measure the battery. Engine OFF gives 12.5 to 12.7 volts. During cranking, gives not below 10 V. A weak battery can create multiple false errors in different modules. Clear all fault codes. Connect your diagnostic tool and erase all stored faults. Then start the engine. Drive the vehicle. Drive the car for 10 to 15 minutes. This allows all control modules to run their self-tests again. Scan the vehicle again. Perform a new diagnostic scan. Check which fault codes return. Analyze the results. If no faults return, gives the problem was likely low voltage or a temporary CA in communication issue. If B1909 returns, gives check the recirculation flap motor and wiring. If B1914 B191 to return, gives inspect the left and right vent temperature sensors and connectors. If U019 returns, gives check the CAN wiring, battery condition, and ground connections. Always remember, many electrical problems are caused by voltage issues. Scan first, replace later. If you found this helpful, like and subscribe for more diagnostics guides.